Never mind. What do you mean I'm something? Okay, next award, Dilly's Driving Range at Belmar sponsored this one. First award in this class going to Don Klein from Peru with, I believe it's a 53 Chevy pickup. I think.
Sedan delivery.
Is this the delivery? Sedan delivery?
The green one.
Green one? It's probably back
Don
over
Klein
this way.
Jr.
Don Klein Jr.? Is it Jr.? I know there's a Don Klein Sr. and a Don Klein Jr. Now you're Junior, right? Okay. Next award in this class going to Frank Farrar from Compton with, is that a 27 Chevy? Okay. Sponsored by Tony's Body Shop, Mendota.
Pretty much.
Oh,
That ain't hard to do. I think I probably still did.
oh, listen to this.
How'd you come in? You go out to 51?
Okay. Okay, next award sponsored by Tony's Body Shop also. First, this is Class J. First award going to George. Let's say this says Carrero, maybe? Carretto from Ottawa, and it's SSR, it's a Chevy SSR. Next award in this class going to Leo Bukowski.
You got it.
Every time. With his, I believe it's a 72 Chevy Cheyenne. They're out of Ottawa, aren't you, sweetie? Okay, and this is sponsored by Patterson Truck Repair. And yeah, he was the first one here this morning. Okay, next award in this class going to Gary Cook from Utica with a 82 Jeep CJ7. Sponsored by Patterson Truck Repair. It is Cook, correct? Okay. Next award in this class going to Barb Beth from Mendota with a 73 Dodge truck, which, young lady, that is one sweet truck. Because of the Dodge. Yeah, Kenny knows me. Yeah, it's a Dodge. It's a Mopar. The Green Machine, you bet it was. Okay, next award sponsored by Manley Brothers, Troy Grove. First award in this class going to Jody Stein. Maybe? It looks like Stein from Peru. Jody, what, 63 Corvette, correct? 54. It doesn't have it on here. I'm trying to remember what you drove in, and I'm going to apologize. Okay. In the Corvette class, they did not write the year, so you're going to have to forgive me. That this Class K, the next award, sponsored by Manley Brothers, Troy Grove, goes to Al Trubetsky, the guy that had the hot women waiting for him. Yeah. Oh, he's out of Oklahoma. Next award goes to Travis Allen from Peru. Yes, you got a question? Can you go to the restroom? Oh, you were the one with your hand raised. Oh, okay. This is Travis. This is sponsored by Rich Sutton Restoration. Next award going to Peru also. Jim Zabrowski. Is it even close? Jim, is it close? Last name even close? Really? Oh, I'm up to 6 points today. Also, wow, sponsored by Rich Sutton Restorations. Congratulations, young man. Next award is Class L. Okay. This is sponsored by Farmer State Bank. Farmer State Bank of Sublette, and it's going to Barry Siebert from Troy Grove with his 2005 Corvette. I want to see your driver's license. He's not old enough to be your grandpa. Oh. Okay, next class, Class M, and it's sponsored by Farmer State Bank of Sublette. First award in this class going to Don Reglin from Granditour with his 59 Thunderbird.
Tweety bird.
Yep. Don, if you're out back taking a nap, okay. You're out back by the car taking a nap. What do you mean don't pick on you? Yeah. Well, it'll be after all the cars are released. You're going to have to wait, then you can look. Okay, honey? Okay, next award. Kenny, grab an award and get over here. Next award going to Paul Henry out of Mendota with a 65 Thunderbird. Maroon one. Beautiful car. And this one is sponsored by Schmidt Repair, Troy Grove. Paul, here he comes. Oh, sorry, Wayne. Okay, next class is the N class, which is convertible. You know, I am so glad I didn't have to do any of this judging because I couldn't have picked out a car of any of these classes. Okay, first award in this class, which is sponsored by Schmidt Repair, Troy Grove, going to Bob Williams. I think it's a 62 Impala. Am I close? Okay. 62. Next award going to Ottawa, Dave and Norma Westlowski with a 1960 for the Fury. I want you guys to note the shirt this guy's got on. I want to know how far he had to dig in the back of the closet for his shirt. Yeah, I like the car in the front too. Who was that sponsored by? Schmidt Repair also, Troy Grove. All right, next award going to Freeport, Illinois with George and Norma Bus in their 99 Ford Mustang. And this one is sponsored by Cross Body Shop, Mendota. There's Miss Norma. Next award going to Barb and Jim Vincent with the 1970 Dodge Challenger from LaSalle. This one is also sponsored by Cross Body Shop, Mendota. Now, if that's not Barb, I'm sorry. It's not Barb, is it? It is Barb. Okay. I'm just making sure. Next award sponsored by Cross Body Shop Mendota. Also going to Dan and Lakita Ristan from Ottawa for the 72 Olds Cutlass. Dan, was that close with her name? Don and Laquita. They have Dan written, I'm sorry. So I'm just showing you so you know I'm not reading it wrong. Okay, next award in this class going to Harold and Jerry Sarver from Mendota with their 65 Plymouth Sport Fury. And this one was sponsored by David Khalil, attorney at law. Next class is Class Q, sponsored also by the attorney David Khalil. First award going to Scott Simpson from LaSalle. I want to say it says 2004 Boom. I think that's a trike. The bike over here. I didn't hear that. Did you hear that? I didn't hear that. Okay. It's Boom, correct? That's the name of the Boom. Okay, I just want to make sure. Next award going, sponsored also by the attorney, David Coyle. Sponsored by Dave Farrar from Mendota with a 70 Honda. Thank you. You knew exactly what I was asking, didn't you? Next award going to Malika Siebert from Mendota with her radio flyer. There is no way. This is also sponsored by Rich Sutton Restoration. Hi, cutie pie. This is yours. Oh, could you get a big smile on that child's face? Okay, next class is Class R. Okay, sponsored by Black Brothers Manufacturing, Mendota. Oh, my stars. Monty Milan? Monty who? Milo. I kid you not. I just read the writing, folks. Troy Grove and it's Harley. I think it's a 2002 is what I have written here, correct? Mind you, they say. Oh. Well, got half of it right, so do I get an A point? Milo. Okay. Okay, next one sponsored by Walter Brothers Plumbing and Heating, going to Balin Grimm. I'm sorry, they don't even have what it is, but yeah, I know it's a motorcycle, that's all I can tell you. Blaine Grimm? Blaine, is that what it is? That's it. I'm sorry. I'm scared you can look. I wasn't kidding. Next one I can read, I know who it is. Next award going to Carl Kirshner from Mendota. Carl, is that a 69 Harley? Carl. Okay. Kenny's trying to figure out the one he wants to give you. Well, it's not the biggest, but it's the one, you know. Best shoulder. Not best shoulder. You know, best class. Okay. Okay, next one going to Dana Hyson. Please tell me your name is Dana. Okay. Sponsored by Black Brothers Manufacturing. And you drove a Harley? Okay. They didn't put down what you drove here, so it's like... They're all Harleys in this class? God, now you tell me. Okay. Oh, yeah, before. All right, next award, sponsored by Black Brothers Manufacturing, going to Al Johnson. Hey. 2001 Harley. Princeton, Illinois. Sit down, Al. Okay, next class, double B. There you go, I knew they would. The award in this class is going to, well, wait a minute, let's see who it's sponsored by. Sponsored by Patterson Truck Repair, Mendota. Lee Pollock from Princeton with his 36 Chevy Coupe. Hey! Lee, did I understand you? You're selling that car to try and buy something else? Why? You want a 66 Chevrolet. Okay, well, I suppose we can let you sell that one. Thank you. Oh, it's an awful nice car. All right, next class is double D. It's sponsored by Gosling's Drugstore, Mendota. First award goes to Joe Stevenson from Beacon with a 56 Chevy Bel Air.
Hey!
Oh, I'm just reading the wrong number, sir. That's okay. Because it looks like it's got 49 in front of it, and I was thoroughly confused. I knew it should drove in. Next award going to Rick Barron with his 57 Chevrolet Nomad out of Maple Park, and this one is sponsored by Specialty Body and Paint, Mendota. Rick, oh. Hi, Rick. Rick is the one that provided the chair for Wayne. Can we give him an extra little hand for thank you? Thanks, Rick. Okay. Next class is double F. First award in this class going to Frank Pope from, I want to say, LaSalle with a 70 old. Frank, where you at, honey? There he is. Sponsored by Specialty Body and Paint, Mendota.
Yeah, boy, Frank. Attaboy, Frank. Attaboy.
Next award going to Gene Jakes of Rock Falls with a 68 Camaro. Sponsored also by Specialty Body and Paint. Correct, Gene? What is it? Jaquez. Jaquez. All right. Next class, double G. Can we get something to drink over here, Pam? Okay. Next set of awards sponsored by Walter Brothers Plumbing and Heating out of Mendota. First one going to Stephen Bott from Mendota, 74 Plymouth Roadrunner. Oh, Lord have mercy. Also sponsored by Walter Brothers Plumbing and Heating, going to Steve from Dwight with the 78 Firebird Formula.
Ain't gonna try it?
Velshak. Oh, does that look like an O? It looks like a V to me. Oh, thank you. Olschlager? Olschlager. I'll never get that one right. It took me 6 years to pronounce the proof. That one I'll never get right. Okay, next award. Going to Utica in a 72 Chevy Malibu Bud Concept? Really? Sponsored by First State Bank of Mendota. Oh. I guess he wants you back, I'm sorry. Next award going to Double H is the class. Sponsored by First State Bank of Mendota. Rich, I've never pronounced your name right. I'm not going to claim that I can now. Shear from Peru with an 87 Buick T-Type. Oh, Rich.
Have a car show.
Good luck.
Who? Who was it?
Rich Shear. Scary. See? I say it wrong every time, no matter what I do. Oh, it irritates me when I do that. Maybe it's a bad, but I've known the guy for how many years, Rich? Next award sponsored by First State Bank out of Mendota. Going to Dave Chapman, Oglesby, with an 88 Monte Carlo. Oh, that's just going to bother me for hours now that I did that. Oh, David, are you here, anyone? No, but Mrs. David is. It might not be a Mrs. David. Okay, you're not a Mrs. David, you're just better looking than him? Okay.
Good job.
Next award going to Mitchell Milau from Troy Grove with an 82 Monte Carlo. Sponsored by Jimmy's Motor Rebuilding, Peru. Was I close? What is the last name? Oh, it is Milau.
Stay cool. Oh, yeah.
Oh.